way?
You're going that way?
I don't know.
You're not going to get through those trees.
Yeah, that is a bit tight.
No.
So I've been stabbed from all angles. Been stabbed here. And if you come around here, I've been stabbed here as well. It's not supposed to look like that. It's alright, we've got the technology. We'll fix it. Well, we'll change it. Righto, so I'm just out exploring around and belting through the bush, and bingo, I found a filing cabinet that doesn't belong in the bush. Somebody's dumped here. So, oh, what a mess. There's trash everywhere. So we're going to clean this up. And cans everywhere too. The hell, people. Like, it's just... Look at this mess. It does not belong here. No, we'll get it out of here and clean this place up a bit. We found another one a little bit further back in one trip. This will be good. Well, I'll get to it. I'll get back to you shortly when I've got something hooked up. So we've got a little bit of stuff hooked up here. It's just, there's no ideal way here. It's a bit of a tricky thing because it's just a stupid shaped thing, Putrol type thing. So I'll just yank it around the tree or something like that here and flip it around and flip it over and wiggle it over and whatever and roll it up onto the trailer there. We'll figure something out. It's going to roll over now anyway, so alright, it'll come around the tree in a sec. This will be funny. And then I'm going to push the tree over. Come on, round you come. Round you come. There we go. Yeah, it's lovely. I'll see if I can push this over and roly-poly it onto the trailer somehow. I'll get back to you in a sec. Right, a bit of rejigging and whatever. It's pretty light, so it's manageable. So just drag it up here like this, up and on. Bingo. That's where these cheap straps are good. You don't have to worry too much about them. Yeah, I suppose we can leave it upside down. These purple straps are only like $10 or something like that. Depends on where you go to buy them. Sweet, I'll just shimmy it around a little bit, put a strap over it, and we'll get out of here. So I didn't really film because I was losing light, but there it is. Not much left of this freaking filing cabinet someone dumped out there, but there it is. It's out of the bush. I picked up all the junk that was with it too, rubbish and stuff. Kept that with it, and this is one less mess out there. And I'll take what's left of it and recycle it. Hopefully it'll become something better in the future. I'll get some footage of it getting lifted off, but that's it. And go back out and get that other one that I saw while I was out there. There it goes. One more wreck gone. One more mess from the bush. Gone. Get rid of that seat. Wasn't much left of that one. People had ratted through it. It's probably a good thing. At least some of the parts from that thing went to good places, hopefully. The blokes here looking after us. They recycle all this stuff. Good bunch of blokes. Oh, see you in the next video.